What is up, YouTube? So it is Saturday, in the middle of April, and we're in Muskogee, Oklahoma for another autocross event. This place is like abandoned. Check this out. We're in the middle of a field. That is an old airport like hangar, and then yeah, there's just a Porsche over there, and a bunch of other cars. But yeah, this is a mid-div event, so it's like there's people from like Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, maybe some from Texas. Probably not from Texas because it's a little farther.
I saw a Texas car.
Oh, okay.
So maybe a couple of them.
Maybe from Texas. So multi-state event, but it's in the middle of Oklahoma, so there might not be too many entrants. I think there's like 72 today and then like 86 tomorrow. So yeah, we're autocrossing again today. There's only 3 in class today instead of like 15 like there was
yeah.
last event. So yeah, we're gonna get the car unloaded, go through tech and whatever. There's like nobody around, so I think we kind of showed up maybe a little too early. Well, boys, driving a tech right now. Haven't ever teched in Oklahoma. This is my first time being here, so let's hope that the car passes. No reason it shouldn't. It's a 2016 and it's like pretty stock, so we'll see what happens. I don't want to be the first car through tech though, so I'm just gonna go back to my pit. Guys, so this right here is where we lost everything. You guys know that the camera goes behind my head and it goes in the little mount and you get to see my hands and my runs and everything. Unfortunately, I think I clicked the stop button when I put it in the mount and it cut the camera off and we didn't check it. So unfortunately there's no driving footage. However, in the next clip is one of my fastest runs on the day, but I'm sorry that there's no in-car footage.
Alright, Blaine's third run. We're working on it. This track's a little bit bumpy out there. He was hitting a couple bumps. Lowered his dampener front and back. So we're trying to kind of tune the car to this track. He's hitting some of these patches out here, and they're making the car unbalanced. So we got a great team out here helping us kind of watch, dial it in. So we're doing good and trying to tighten it up. He's quick though. Third one, he's coming in, he's doing great. Beautiful, beautiful. It sounds so good with that exhaust. There he goes, heck yeah. Looking good, looking good. Let's go, beautiful. Nice. Cleaning it up. What are we thinking?
Bro, I'm just exhausted, dude. Like, is that clean?
It looked good.
49.5.
49.5.
That's what I wanted on the day. There's time out there.
Oh yeah, that was clean.
There might be a 48 in this car.
Just got out of the car.
Yeah, it's not like a
pretty
sunroof
beat
where
up.
you just have a little thing
Like,
that slides
about
over
myself,
it,
like
know?
psychologically about like my runs today. I won the class, and that's all that matters towards the end of the season is how I
Is that
do
Lotus
in
wrapped or is that a factory color?
I think it's rad.
It's
But
gotta be wrapped.
as far as like raw time, like I
Yeah,
didn't beat myself,
you're right.
so
I
I,
mean,
wanted
keep
to beat
painting like that,
myself.
you
The
talking
asphalt here
Bet it's
is
wrapped.
pretty rough. I'm not using that as an excuse because other people are fast, but that car has more in it, and I didn't execute. So I was a little upset with myself. I think that we will do a little bit better tomorrow. We're gonna stay and do some fun runs at the end of the day. I'm pretty sure they have some going on. So yeah, I'm gonna stay and probably do some fun runs, and if not, then we're just gonna go get some food and recharge. So yeah, we'll see what tomorrow holds, and tomorrow I'll make sure that we film because today I didn't film for some reason. So little recap, because we're not doing tomorrow's event. There was those fun runs I was talking about. I went and I took the car out for just a few laps. I didn't have like the camera going or anything like that. And then I let a few people drive the car, whatever. Like, so I guess car started having an issue after I ran my last lap, and it just so happens that after my lap, I let one of my buddies drive it, and it was good. He said, you know, it's different. Like the clutch felt different because he wasn't used to driving the car. And then I let another guy drive it who also has never driven the car, and transmission blows up. So this is the fourth transmission I've had in the car. We're gonna go to a built one. I'm gonna contact some people on Monday and see what I can do for a built trans. But this is the fourth one in the car. So this is the end of the video because there won't be any footage tomorrow because of nothing I can do about a transmission. It's gonna take probably about a month. So the event that I had scheduled in Wichita at the end of the month is not happening unless I can get the car done by then, but I doubt it. Given that, you know, I still got college and stuff. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens as far as the rest of the season goes. But as soon as I get that transmission in there, the car's going back to the track. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Sorry that there wasn't like actual track footage, like inside the car, because we forgot to film, and then transmission blew up. So what is up, YouTube? So we got the Miata in the shop. Trent's here.
Hello.
And we're gonna pull this transmission out today. So last weekend we had that autocross in Oklahoma, and the first day we blew the trans. So we've had some bad luck. Transmission's coming out today, and then this weekend we're taking a little road trip down to Walter Motorsports in Fort Worth, Texas to drop off all my cores so we can get one built. So stay tuned. Transmission's coming out. So we just took off a bunch of the exhaust and stuff, and I found out that these two nuts right here on this diff, last time I changed them, I'm certain we put them on.
I'm pretty sure we did. We didn't have anything extra.
But they, I guess they just backed off. So
yeah.
of course, I'm not sure where those are. I'm gonna have to take one of these and go get some nuts for it. But yeah, they fell off. And I don't know if that contributed to the transmission failure due to like drivetrain vibration, but like the car felt great. But yeah, I mean, there's no telling where those nuts are at. So
Yeah.
we're gonna definitely have to replace that. So we'll put that on the list. Yeah. So right now we're just gonna drain the trans and see if we get a bunch of metal in it. We got this little rag in here. It's dirty already, but we'll put a clean one in here and see if we catch any
kind of
metal or
big chunks or anything, because it was grinding pretty bad.
Oh yeah, we got metal on her. And look how dirty that fluid is.
Yeah, it's
already.
like black.
This transmission had less than 100 miles on it.
Yeah, shouldn't be black.
So is what it is, man.
It's like chocolate coming out of there.
So fluid must have got hot, and then maybe just didn't have the additives it was supposed to have. So I gotta find a 12 mil right now. On this. So pulling off the slave cylinder. Usually when I do this, I got a spare transmission to like put all the parts on.
Yeah.
Before we throw it back in, but this time I don't.
So yeah, we need to be extra careful and make
Try to
sure we get
remember.
everything off.
Yeah, remember what everything is, dude.
Because what fluid is this did we put in this time?
Valvoline.
Valvoline.
Which they pretty much suggest to always run Motul.
Yeah.
But I ran Motul in the past and it
went the longest, right?
no.
It didn't.
Went the longest.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. So we did that in the past and it blew up. So we ran redline fluid, Motul fluid, Valvoline fluid, and the OEM fluid. OEM went the longest. So we're gonna go to Motul because that's what everyone recommends. It's got the highest film strength and the highest like shock absorption between all the gears. So we're gonna do that next. Well,
Good.
boys, got the transmission out. Come listen to this. Well, actually, I can't even spin this thing. It's not letting me spin it. So forget that. It's broken, it's blown, but we got it out in an hour and a half. So we're gonna throw some of these supporting things back on so we can throw the car back on the trailer and then unload it at my house, and that'll be that. So yeah, transmission's gonna go in the truck, and we'll catch you guys in the truck for the road trip. All right, boys. So we just dropped off those 4 cores at Walter Motorsports in Fort Worth. I want to give a huge thank you to Andrew for meeting us on his weekend. Like, we drove 8 hours down here. That dude lives an hour away from work. And he took his own time out of the week to meet us there. Like, out of the weekend, a time with his wife to meet us to drop off these transmissions. So massive thank you to him. Greatly appreciate it, and I got some insight that we might be getting a pretty decent deal on the built one. Yeah, so huge thank you again to Andrew. And then we're headed to Buc-ee's right now. It'll be my first time ever at Buc-ee's, so we'll catch you guys there. What do we got here? Where's the
stickers?
patch?
I was looking for patches.
Oh no, we need patches, bro. We need to put that boy on the truck, dude.
Put this bad one on the truck.
Oh, Texas edition.
This thing's looking good, dude.
Bro, look at the SOG machete at the gas station. Or a seal pup. Maybe some Aegis FLK. All kinds of knives at Buc-ee's. You can buy a deer feeder at Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's hammock.
A Buc-ee's hammock.
Yes, sir.
I kind of want it, but it's $50.
Made in USA.
Oh, that makes it
It
worth
really does, yeah. It's kind of...
Wait, I said deer feeder? You can buy a blind here. What's this Beaver Buddies? Oh, animal cookies?
Oh, that sounds good.
What is this? Peach preserves?
Oh, hot sauce?
Buc-ee's hot sauce? What was that? Truffle aioli? Dude, this might be good.
Looks good.
America's Worcestershire. Pineapple habanero. Dude, some of these might be good. I'm gonna grab this. Yeah, actual feeders.
Yeah, that's all.
$480. General managers at Buc-ee's can make $225,000 a year.
Dude, Buc-ee's, we need a Buc-ee of the world.
All right, boys, so we just got back from Buc-ee's. This is our second take on this little clip because we didn't record the first time on accident. But we spent a lot of money in there, like $100 total. So what'd you get, Trent?
All right, we're starting with some classics recommendations. I got some beaver nuggets.
Hell yeah.
Highly recommended from a friend of mine. And then another thing he recommended, sliced brisket sandwich. I'm looking forward to trying those out.
That's gonna be fire.
Got a lime water. I'm not going to try to pronounce it.
Yep,
but yeah, something I've never seen before. Looks pretty good. Another just regular water. Never heard of it.
Nice.
Thought I'd give it a shot. Some enamel pins. I got a friend that collects them.
Yeah, let's see those.
I collect them a little bit too. Got Buc-ee's truck, just the Buc-ee's logo, and then a Buc-ee's.
Those are kind of sick.
Yeah, I thought those were kind of cool. I got a patch.
Hell yeah, Trent's a big patch guy.
Nylon patch. Oh, one more pin, another truck. I'm going to gift that one.
The truck.
Friend of mine. Barbecue sauce, can't go wrong. I got that for my sandwich. But I love barbecue sauce, so. And that's all I got.
All right.
Blaine, what'd you get?
So I also got barbecue sauce because my family's real big into barbecue sauce.
It looks really good.
I got some saltwater taffy.
Yeah, that looks
sour.
really good.
I didn't know they were sour, but it's gonna be fire. Got some watermelon sours. I guess these are like jelly beans, which can't go wrong with jealous.
Yes, sir.
Also got some patches because Trent got me into patches.
I did get you into
Got
patches a
those
little
waters,
bit.
Got the barbecue sauce, like I said earlier. I got this this truffle aioli.
Let me take a look at that.
Which-
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, I'm excited to try that. I don't know what I'm gonna throw it on, but
Yeah.
we're gonna try that. And then I got me a barbecue turkey sandwich
Oh yeah.
and a beef burrito.
Heck yeah. That sounds really good.
Yes, sir. So yeah, this is the transmission video. So we got 8 hours on the drive home, and we're gonna pig out and probably have to stop to do one of these quite a few times. So yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to fund my transmission, because this might happen again. Hopefully not. Walter Motorsports got me hooked up, so it shouldn't happen again. But next video should hopefully be back at the track. So we'll catch you boys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.